Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a compatible Chrome OS image and confirming Virtualbox is up to date. Once you have the vmdk/img, create a new VM as Linux other 64-bit, then attach the downloaded disk. Make sure to add the extension pack for USB and UEFI features. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM, 2 CPU cores, and 20 GB disk. This enables a responsive session. Now you're ready to move into the VM settings that matter. You'll now tune the VM for Chrome OS compatibility. In System, enable EFI, UEFI, and leave Secure Boot off. Chrome OS images expect EFI. Under Storage, add the VMDK to a SATA controller rather than IDE. In Display, enable 3D acceleration and set video memory to the maximum to prevent rendering issues. For networking, choose Bridge to mimic a physical machine or NAT for simple internet access. Once done, verify storage and chipset settings before booting the image. You boot the VM and follow Chrome OS initial setup. Sign in with your Google account and allow updates. Because many Chrome OS builds include their own drivers, avoid forcing Virtualbox guest editions, rely on the image's graphics support and the enabled 3D acceleration. If the VM won't boot, stop and try toggling the chipset between PX3 and ICH9, increase RAM, or recreate the VM using a different controller, ASI VSI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.